Oceans pray, how deep are you? Oceans wide, how old? Could I but wander, wander through your blue depths, silent, cold. Welcome to the Department of Ocean Sciences at the Ocean Sciences Center in Logie Bay, St. John's, Newfoundland. The Ocean Sciences Center is a world-class marine research facility and one of Canada's largest marine laboratories. Since 2011, the Oceans Learning Partnership has been creating a much-needed bridge between K-12 and post-secondary oceans education. As part of this partnership, the Ocean Sciences Center has opened its doors for local Newfoundland school children to create hands-on educational experiences that will excite students about ocean studies and expose them to careers in the marine sector. So what does a field trip to the Ocean Sciences Center involve? Well, here's a quick look.
Making them clean up the field.
Students will work in small groups guided by scientists and post-secondary students of ocean science. They will begin their day in the tank room, where they will use a dichotomous key to identify over 25 species of marine algae and invertebrates from 8 different phyla. They will handle living organisms and use microscopes to identify their characteristics, learn about their habitats, and how they interact with other organisms from the waters around Newfoundland.
So hormones exist. Segmented. Could be liver.
Students will conduct a fish dissection. They will learn about the anatomy and physiology of fish. The focus of the dissection is to expose students to the link between morphology and habitat. Students examine fish body plans and internal organs. They'll be challenged to consider how these adaptations help the fish function in the environment. The highlight of the day is when students work with the resident harp seals, but first there's work to be done. Students will prepare herring for the seal training activity. During this time, they'll be exposed to marine mammal nutrition and husbandry, and they'll be briefed on appropriate behavior around the seals.
Don't let her touch the ball.
Students will go on deck to prepare for and conduct a training session. They will help move seals between the tanks and set the tanks up for training. They will assist the resident scientists with an ongoing behavioral study. This includes interacting with the animals as they respond to stimuli. Students will be exposed to data collection and a suite of other skills required of a working scientist. All of this will be done under the closest supervision of our resident expert. The Ocean Sciences experience is meant to complement an at-sea field excursion. This takes students on board a research vessel where they will use sophisticated oceanographic equipment, develop field skills, and interact with marine scientists and other ocean professionals. For more information about the Ocean Sciences Center's school program in collaboration with the Oceans Learning Program and how to schedule this opportunity for your students, contact Danielle Nichols at dnichols@mun.ca.